Hi friends, we're just going to kind of go over here math box 8.5. For number 1, fill in the unit box and solve. So the unit box here, I could put in anything, couldn't I? I can write tigers. I'm just going to use any kind of noun to fill that in there. And then my problem here says 37 plus what number equals 100? I'm missing an addend here, and I know that my addend is going to be less than 100, so I'm going to subtract. And I could set that up. I could say 100 minus 37 is equal to what number? I could write it down, or I could think, okay, 37, that's close to 40. So I could say 40 plus some number is equal to 100. And I know that that would be 60 because 4 plus 6 is 10. So that answer is 60. But then 37 to 40, I know that's 3 there. And 60 plus 3 is 63. Now in this problem, 29 plus 71, I'm missing my sum. So my sum is my largest number. So I can add those up and I can write it down. 29 plus 71. Oh, yes, 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry my 1. 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. My answer there would be 100. That's my sum. Now I've got this one here. Oh, my missing addend again, plus 42 equals 100. I could set that up again, and I can minus. I can subtract. I could set it up like this. Or I could say, again, I could estimate and say that's about 40. 42 make that 40. 100 minus 40 is 60. And then minus 2 more is 58. 68 plus 32. I can write that up and down if I need to. You bet, just like that. Or I could say, oh, I'm going to take that 2 from the 32 and make that a 70 here. So 68 plus 2, that's 70. 70 plus 30, I can say, oh, there's another 100. Now, number 2 here says estimate the width of your math journal. About how many inches? Now, remember, inches that we are estimating here. We're going to use our thumb for this one. So everyone's might be a little different here, but make sure you use your thumb to estimate your inches. And then it says measure it to the nearest inch. And then I'm going to find an exact answer. And that one I'm going to pull out my ruler for. So you do your best to measure this one to the exact inch. And remember, when I'm using my ruler, it's the larger spaces when I'm measuring to the nearest inch. Now number 3 here, it says, how long is a large swimming pool? Circle the closest measurement. Would it be 50 centimeters? I don't know about that one. I feel like centimeters, my personal reference tool for that, that's going to be my pinky. I don't think I'm going to have 50 pinkies to measure a pool. That is silly. And then 50 inches, that's my thumb. An inch is my personal reference tool is a thumb. I don't know about that. That sounds kind of silly too. I think the pool is bigger. 50 meters, and remember a meter stick is 39 inches, and another personal reference tool for that would be my arm span. I think that might be my best answer. So we're going to go with 50 meters here today. Now, number 4 here says solve, show your work. So I'm going to write that up and down, friends. 95 minus 41. 5 minus 1. Is that more on top or more on the floor? More on top? No need to stop. You got it, friends. I know you're singing it with me. 9 minus 4. More on top. No need to stop. 54. Oh, I've got another unit box here. So I'm going to think of another noun and I'm going to write friends. Now, number 5 here says, look at problem 2. Suppose you measured the width of your math journal in centimeters. Would the number of centimeters be more than or less than the number of inches? So we're going back to here, measuring our math journal. Was your number in inches or more in centimeters? I kind of think that the spaces between inches are greater, so my numbers are smaller. So I'm going to write here, if I measure the number, now you're going to have to forgive my writing here, the number and I'm going to use for centimeters, I know that abbreviation is cm, so I'm going to write cm. The number in centimeters would be more. And why would the number be greater, be more here? Because the spaces are smaller. Our spaces in centimeters are smaller, so our number, our actual answer when we are measuring, are generally bigger than inches. Friends, you were such good listeners. Thanks for your hard work. Have a great day.